Great work so far. In this chapter, we'll focus on when to use ChatGPT and how to scale its adoption safely and responsibly. In any role, we develop workflows to achieve some end goal through a standardized series of tasks. These workflows are often molded through years of experience, experimentation, and innovation to achieve a high-quality end goal in a timely manner. These workflows inevitably contain some time-consuming and repetitive tasks, but many of these can now be performed by ChatGPT. These augmented workflows can ultimately improve the quality and timeliness of the end goal. Let's say that we've been scoping a complex project, and the resulting document is 30 pages long. We need to summarize the key findings for other stakeholders, so we can decide whether the project gets the go-ahead. The standard workflow here would be for us to scan through the document, extract the key findings, and compile the summary by hand. Then, we might use a spelling and grammar checker to proofread. This process is extremely time-consuming, and minus the spell checker, we had to do most of the legwork. With ChatGPT, the roles of people and technology in this workflow can be reversed. We can ask ChatGPT to summarize the document for us with a well-engineered prompt. Then, we proofread the final review for accuracy before sending. This relatively small change provides time savings and allows us to focus our time on more creative and higher value tasks. So who can benefit from ChatGPT-powered workflows, and which industries? A business is made up of many roles with vastly different workflows, considerations, and measurable outputs. Marketing often generates public-facing content, HR handles sensitive data on personnel, and technical roles in IT, data, or software engineering write complex code or design systems. Fortunately, all industries and roles can benefit from integrating ChatGPT into their workflows. ChatGPT's contribution will differ significantly from role to role, and there are some ownership and privacy considerations that we'll discuss later in the course. But let's take a look at some common use cases for these roles. Business leaders not only make key decisions to steer the direction of the company, but need to communicate the vision and direction to the wider business. Leaders can use ChatGPT to help compose emails, draft presentations, brainstorm strategic ideas, and summarize meeting notes. In these use cases, it's still advisable to verify the generated content depending on the complexity and stakes involved. Software engineers, data practitioners, and other technical roles spend a lot of their time writing code, and the typical workflow often includes repetitive tasks like looking up code syntax and writing documentation. These roles can use ChatGPT to recall code syntax and generate examples, explain code, troubleshoot errors, and even write documentation to accompany the code. HR and people teams can use ChatGPT to brainstorm initiatives for improving employee engagement and well-being, and allow them to communicate more effectively and efficiently with other employees. Marketing teams are responsible for increasing brand and product awareness. Marketing teams can use ChatGPT to write social media posts, help with copy editing human-written content, and create all types of text-based marketing copy. ChatGPT can even help with optimizing content for search engines if the target keywords are provided. The goal of sales teams is to acquire new customers, so their workflow often involves communicating with internal stakeholders for product information, and also outreach to generate leads and opportunities. Sales teams can harness ChatGPT to generate outreach templates, personalize outreach content for greater effectiveness, brainstorm approaches and strategy, and summarize information from internal stakeholders. Phew, that was a lot of use cases, and there's even more where that